What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys already know my name is Jerry, and you watching Where's Garage, and a video on how to install the Cobb exhaust. Well, it's kind of common sense how to install it. It's gonna be a short video because I had to hurry up, but I did it at work on Lyft. So I'll just kind of show you what I took off and stuff like that, and I'll show you the exhaust and stuff like that, what it is. But yeah, and give you a little video of it starting when I have everything on. So let's get to it, guys, and let's see how it goes. Have it off. There's a hanger right here. There's one right here. There's two right here. Take off the back. Of course, the bolts. I have one to put this on, and then I'll get back to you guys. I got a new gasket for the little part because they don't come with it. I'm about to put this one in. I already have it out right there. That's what it looks like. Boy Drew right there, putting the back on. Almost about to be done. Let's get going. And we are done. Have it on. Sorry I didn't show like what the takeoff is because I'm at work, so I have to hurry up. But it's on. Put it back. I'll give you guys a startup of it. Alright guys, and that's how you put it on. Like I said, I kind of showed you how to put it on, but it's common sense. Just like on other speeds, what, 4 bolts you take off, and it's like, let me see, 1, 2, it's like about 4 or 5 hangers you want to take off. Just to let you guys know now, if you have just the stock hangers on your car, and it's the stock ones, I recommend getting the Court Sport, the bushing for the hanger bushings, because mine is like they worn out and kind of drooping down. So I'm going to order those Court Sport hangers and get those on. But all that, the car sounds great now. Like I have, you guys know, the Cobb SS downpipe. Now I have the Cobb SS exhaust, and with those two combined with the Caddick, I have the Caddick one on there, the high flow cat on it. And it sounds great. Like it's crazy. It sounds like a Subi. Like when you're driving, it sounds like a Subi. But I like the sound of it. It sounds real nice when you drive. I want to make a video of me just driving a car so you guys can kind of hear what it sounds like. But to me, it sounds real good. It sounds really, really good. It's like a perfect sound for me, it's like a perfect sound for me. It's not ricey, it's none of that. It's like a perfect sound. And when you get on the gas, it sounds really good. Like I said, that's why I say I don't make a video of me driving the car so you guys can hear what it sounds like. But yeah, sorry for the short video. You know, like I said, I was at work using the lift, and we closed at a certain time, so I had to hurry up and put it on and stuff like that. I mean, I could have done it at home, but why do it at home when I have a lift? I can use a lift right quick. It'd be more fast, easy. You know, I can just get it, get it on, get it out. But yeah, hope you guys like the video. You know, comment below what you guys think about the video. I got something else coming for you guys too, so stay tuned for that video too. But till then, thanks for watching. You already know we watching Where's Garage. See you next time.